Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share very important how to restore your stomach and the spleen for your digestion system. So 2 weeks before summer or each season, particularly this before summer season, it's the opportunity to restore increasing the qi in your digestions. Do you know when it's the 2 weeks, which is from next week until the first week of the May? That's the opportunity to increasing and restore your digestion. Because summer, our digestion system will go to lowest point. So that's why summer often you don't feel hungry. Digestion's much slower. Now, these 2 weeks, if you can boosting the qi and increasing the digestions, then you will have powerful digestion, help you summertime continue increasing the biggest, highest yang qi once the summer reached into your heart. So don't miss this 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks opportunity from next week. You can starting from middle of the week. Okay, so how to restore your digestion system? So first, really important because this year, what we called also super magic square. So what's super magic square? Which is number 15. First of all, it's really important you want your stomach and the digestion system get a rest 15 hours. So what's a 15 hours rest? So it means no food take and let your stomach rest. The best way and the most secure, more restore your digestions, it's evening. You can evening time basically fast 15 hours from the time, anytime after 4 p.m. all the way to 7 p.m. You can eat your last dinner 4, 4:35, 5:36, 6:37, but not after 7, because whenever you eat after 7, what we call the very easily get 3 high. So what's 3 high? High cholesterol, high sugar, and high blood pressure. So that's why you want to finish your meal later by 7. Then just count that until 15 hours. Second day, which is, can be 7 a.m. You can take your breakfast, or 8 or 9. That's stop there. And also your stomach channel starting at 9 a.m. So that's why 15 hours fast. Of course, you can also check with your health provider if suitable for your own health. Generally, if you don't have any health condition, that's what I recommended, to do 15 hours digestion. And then this 2 weeks, it's really important. And also after eat, any meal after eat, you want either, stand for 15 minutes, 15, okay? Or take a walk for 15 minutes. So that will really help you for the digestions. And for dinner, you want to eat, more soft, definitively cooked food for dinner. And if you eat any, you eat meat, you can eat meat and for lunchtime or breakfast time. So still, generally speaking, springtime, better less meat. You can take, other type of protein. But of course, egg you can always eat, and also some fish. That will be great. Then 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, restore your stomach, and that way can help you really boosting the qi for the summer. And this is very important advice for you. Just take care of your digestion. That's your opportunity. Best opportunity this 2-3 weeks before summer. Then seeking particularly this year Super Magic Square, it's really help you restore and line up. So thank you very much. Also share this with you and help others. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you a Qigong for restore your digestions. So please separate your feet parallel with your shoulders, your hands crossed together. So first, push the Qi down, healing sound, separating your arms. Inhale, interlock the fingers. Inhale, yourself on tiptoes. Inhale. Push down. Turn as far as you can. Lift up, put yourself on tiptoes. Bring the Qi back to your abdomen. Massaging. Please perform this sequence. I just did 3 times. Please perform yourself 5 to 15 times every day. Thank you.